Great job! You have now added WordPress to your domain and chosen an IndieWeb theme. Your next step is to install the IndieWeb plugins. So I'm going to go over here and click on Plugins. I need to add new, and I need to search for IndieWeb. I'm going to install this main plugin here, the IndieWeb plugin. It actually includes many of the other plugins that you see on this page. So I'm going to click Install Now. I'm going to click Activate. Now if I go over here to Install Plugins, I will see the IndieWeb plugin. It also adds a menu in our dashboard. I'm going to click on Extensions. This is where I find all of the other IndieWeb plugins I need to add. So I'm going to install the web mentions. I'm going to install semantic linkbacks. I'm going to install micropub. I'm going to install postkinds. I'm going to install syndication links. I'm going to install Bridgie. I'm going to install IndieAuth. I'm not going to install microformats 2. That plugin is for people who are not using IndieWeb compatible themes. I will leave it up to you if you want to install the location. If you want to be able to add where your location data is from, you can add that if you want. I'm then going to go activate these plugins. The web mentions, those are awesome. That's when you leave when you mention somebody's post on your blog, it will show up as a comment on their blog. The semantic linkbacks, those just make those comments prettier. If you want to be able to publish from your iPhone or your Android device, you want to have the micropub plugin activated. That allows you to publish from your mobile phones or from other cool websites. Postkinds allows us to pick different kinds of posts, like quotes, articles. We can do all kinds of things. So we're going to pick postkinds. We're going to add in the syndication links. Bridgie for WordPress if you do want to syndicate to Twitter and be able to hang out in the class Twitter feed, you need to activate that, but nobody is required to use a social network. We're going to add the IndieAuth plugin, which will allow us to sign into other websites. And as I said, if you want to, you may choose to add the simple location plugin. The web sub pub sub hub bub plugin, yes, say that 3 times fast, you do not need to use. You can add it and play around at your leisure if you desire.